It's Brian. I want to spend a couple minutes with you today about receiving alerts for emergencies that could impact you and or your family. Most of us have a cell phone, and there are settings on the cell phone that allow you to get amber, silver, and various alerts, including those from the government, which can include the weather. In addition, we've picked up and we have multiple radios such as this one that constantly scans the NOAA radio bands. There's 7 of them, and it'll passively sit there until there's an emergency alert that would threaten us, and then it'll awaken and it'll broadcast. We keep it here on the shelf. During the day, sometimes we put it on the windowsill because it is solar powered. We have several of these. My wife keeps one at her job, and we carry one with us when we travel. 2 different ideas. Remember, if you have 2, you have 1. So having multiple solutions that could alert you is always a great idea. Something additional is that we've done at BePreparedSolutions.co is we've created Be Aware. Be Aware aggregates any and all emergency alerts that we know of. So we took not only weather alerts, amber alerts, silver alerts, and government notifications, but we also included with that utility, police and emergency services. We also put in ISP, so your internet service providers, and the list goes on. So we've created an aggregator intermediary that brings all of the emergencies that could impact my family or yours, and it too will passively sit there and monitor and brings you aware of those situations that could impact you. Being prepared is really important. Being alerted that that emergency is developing or impending and happening, not just weather, gives me a peace of mind, and I'm sure having that could also give you a peace of mind. Hope that helps. Again, any additional questions, feel free to contact me at BePreparedSolutions.co, and please check out Be Aware as one of our service offerings. Thank you.